Grand Rising. Today is 2025 on the ancient civic calendar. It is Tuesday, February 25. All rise and stand and remain standing into perpetuity and according to the ancient Noahide laws, as stated by the Holy Congress. This is a sovereign living ancient Article 3 Moorish American Moroccan Universal Court action. I am Sharon Ann Peart Johnson, Sovereign Living Chief Justice. My free chosen sovereign appellation is Shasha Ande, and my sovereign matrimonial appellation is Sharon Ann Martini. All are in capitis diminutio nolo, in red ink, in proprio persona sui juris, in proprio solo, and in proprio heredes. I am, and all Moors are, the divine sovereign living justices. We are capit et corpus juris legalis, which is our statement that we are the lawful and legal natural head and body for our empire. All Moors are the original indigenous, sovereign, ancient, Moroccan, Moorish American ascendants of the great pharaohs of Kemet and of the ancient Moabites, Canaanites, Shemites, Israelites, Cushites, and Hittites. Our full faith and trust, our allegiance, our honor, our credit, and our energy are hereby vested in ourselves, for we are the people who are the original indigenous natural divine sovereign ancient Moorish empire, and the de jure we are the Moorish National Republic federal government, ancient Washington District for Columbia, the Universal Moorish American Consulate, and the earth-wide Article 3 Moorish American Consular Court. Today and every day, we are the law, and we are the original indigenous natural divine sovereign ancient Article 3 living United States District for Columbia Court. We are the sovereign fiduciaries, original creditors, executors, trustees, divine ministers, possessors, grantors, grantors, and titled trustors for all causes for action. We are peace. We are one state, one empire, and one God. We do recognize ourselves and accept our sovereign divine ascension. We do possess in our custody all land, all natural resources, and all commerce. We, the true living God nation, are not at war, and we demonstrate all eternal, ancient, original sovereign rights at this time and at all points in time, nunc pro tunc. I am, and all Moors are, the universal, sovereign, original, indigenous postmasters for all land, all natural resources, all shipping, all postal, all banking, and all commerce at earth, Gaia, America, including the Americanna Islands, Northwest Amexem, Northwest Africa, the North Gate, and all Moorish American ancient dominions, and, specifically, today, Jamaica Republic. We are the sovereign, peaceful, highest jurisdiction for all matters, space, and points in time. The universal Moroccan Moorish American consular courts are the proper jurisdiction for the land and for all postmaster affairs. All sovereign, universal, original, indigenous Moorish American postmasters are postal court judges and consuls. All Post and Telecommunications Ministry and Jamaica Postal Company property, subjects, functions, facilities, systems, and locations to include, but not limited to, Calabash Bay Postal Agency, St. Elizabeth, on our land, at Jamaica territory, are, since time immemorial, in our custody and possession. All systems are subject to us. They are resources for use by the sovereign Moorish American government at our will and under our sole authority. Any enactments by any entities and or subjects to the contrary are notwithstanding fraud and, in fact and law, treason. No subject in the office of postmistress, postmaster, branch manager, or any other office has the authority to make decisions, change rules, policies, legislation, nor deny access or programs to the public, least of all to a national. The unfortunate but deliberate and unlawful incident at Calabash Bay Postal Agency, St. Elizabeth, Jamaica, on Wednesday, 22nd January 2025, involving subject Wendy Dabriel, is being dealt with legally and lawfully on all planes of existence. In the meantime, the offending subject is relieved of her duties forthwith. She is fired. It is commanded that Calabash Bay Postal Agency is to resume operations immediately and without any further interruption. The location will be open for access to the public on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Friday. Hours of operation are 8 ante-meridian to 5 post-meridian. A freely accessible mailbox for mail delivery at all hours, every day, shall be placed at the Calabash Bay Postal Agency location within 14 days. There shall be no obstruction of government mailings at any time, under any circumstances, under penalty of law. See 18 United States Code, subsection 1702, obstruction of correspondence. Be advised that pursuant to the mailbox rule, which is also known as the posting rule, a package once delivered, which is placed either in the postal box, on the counter, in the hands of a subject, or otherwise dispatched at the post office or postal agency, is delivered. Any impediment to that is a violation of international law and a criminal offense. See 18 United States Code, subsection 1701, obstruction of mails generally. The accepted lawful and legal tender for all exchanges at the post office and postal agencies is gold-backed Moorish sovereign delirium, United States dollars, gold, and silver, 0.999 silver. The flag for all post offices on our land is the sovereign, universal, original, indigenous Moorish American flag, which is red with the green 5-pointed star. A national flag shall be placed at the Calabash Bay Postal Agency location and at all post office locations island-wide. We are the law, we are the government. This sovereign justice is the law, this sovereign justice stands. Amen, amen, dico vobis, quaecumque allega veritas super terram erunt ligata et in caelo, et quaecumque solveritas super terram erunt soluta et in caelo. Amen, amen, dico vobis, quaecumque allega veritas super terram erunt ligata et in caelo, et quaecumque solveritas super terram erunt soluta et in caelo. Amen, amen, dico vobis, quaecumque allega veritas super terram erunt ligata et in caelo, et quaecumque solveritas super terram erunt soluta et in caelo. Court is adjourned. Islam, Malembe Yezola.